Good morning. It's Tuesday, September 5th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Checking out the radar at 10:13 this morning. Some light reflectivity over metro Atlanta and heading up toward the North Georgia mountains. Not really seeing much of this reach the ground. Some light showers reaching the ground up in northeast Alabama, though. But most of the state checking in mostly sunny, mainly dry, just a few clouds here and there. Temperatures in the mid-70s in northwest Georgia. Then we get to those upper 70s and low 80s. Northeast Georgia, middle and south Georgia, along the coastline, already 81 in Savannah and Brunswick. As we check out the tropics, a lot of folks talking about a storm that is continuing to develop, showing very good structure. The red X there on the screen, cruising across the Atlantic. It's in that nice warm water, and so we'll get another named storm out of this. The models are tending to agree with each other, the American and the European ensembles, that this storm is going to develop into a strong hurricane, major hurricane, very likely, but it should curve off before reaching the U.S. This could be a threat toward Bermuda, but we're going to keep an eye on this. It'll be middle to the end part of next week before we know exactly where this is going to end up. So it's kind of far out there for the models to predict, but when we see both of the models coming together and saying, yeah, it's probably going to steer this thing to the northeast, that's a good sign for us. The number 2 storm, Yellow X, coming off of the coast of Africa, also good chance of developing over the next 7 days. Pretty low chance, still pretty disorganized right now, but this one could turn into a tropical storm or hurricane as well. But again, looks like that's going to veer off to the northeast before reaching us and causing us any problems, but we will keep an eye on it. High pressure over South Georgia, really over all of North Georgia today. That'll be the dominating factor, so sinking air, really going to be hard to get any rain going, especially when you get close to that blue H. So as we move through the morning hours, just some sunshine. We'll be heating up through the day today. A few light showers, again, trying to move in from North Georgia in the Middle Tennessee, from Middle Tennessee and northeast Alabama, but I think we're going to keep most of the rain away as we move through the day today. A few showers possible this evening for the north, and the rest of it's just a few clouds. Let's head through tomorrow. We're going to see a frontal system start to develop out to our west. There you go, through northern Mississippi, northern Alabama. This line is going to start to push toward Georgia. So by tomorrow evening, a little better chance of showers in the extreme northwest corner of the state. The rest of the state will see increasing clouds and increasing humidity ahead of this frontal passage. And then we move through early Thursday morning. That front is still there, just not really producing a whole lot of rain, not a lot of energy to get them going. But it could see a few showers cutting through the middle of the state early in the day on Thursday. Not showing much Thursday afternoon. This may be a little deceiving. We may be picking up some showers as early as noon and 1 o'clock. But certainly, as we head after 3 o'clock and then into the evening hours, here you go. Those thunderstorms light up across the state of Georgia. Looks like our severe weather risk is low, but a chance of showers will be back in our forecast as we head into Thursday, again for the northwest corner of the state as early as Wednesday. That's your morning weather update from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.